Hi everyone, you all are welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will discuss this tricky definite integral problem, and the problem is this 50, 50 and 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 whole raised to the power 100 dx upon 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 whole raised to the power 101 dx. This is a quite challenging and tricky problem. So this is numerator upon denominator. So let us suppose this is numerator and this as denominator. So first we will solve this denominator using integration by parts, and denominator is integral of 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 100 raised to the power 1 dx, and to integrate it take 1 as second function and using integration by parts. So this is first function and this is second function. Using integration by parts, so we will get first function into integral of second function. Second function is 1 minus under the sign of integration differential coefficient of first function into integral of second function. And this thing is from 0 to 1. So that denominator is this thing. Integral of 1 is x. So this is 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power 101 into x, and this thing is from 0 to 1 minus derivative of 1 minus x raised to the power 50, sorry, it's raised to the power 101. This will be 101. 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power 101 minus 1, which is 100, into, now differentiation of this only, differential of 1 is 0 and minus x raised to the power 50, it will be minus 50 x raised to the power 49 into integral of 1, which is x and dx. We will get, after putting x as 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, 0 minus 0, and if we put x is 0, then this thing, this into 0 is 0. So this becomes 0 fully, and minus 0 to 1. This 101 and this minus 50, if we multiply, so 50 and 101, so 50, 50. 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power 100, and if we multiply this x in this x raised to the power 49 and minus it is to minus x raised to the power 50 dx. So denominator is equal to, this is 0 minus 50 50 and 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power 100, and this minus x 50, rewrite it as 1 minus x raised to the power 50 and minus 1. If we simplify, then this 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled and remains the same thing, and which is equal to if we multiply this inside, or we can say that if we multiply this 100 into this thing into this, and this thing into this minus 1, we will get minus 50, 50, and this is multiplied in this, so it will be 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power this 100, this 1 raised to the power 101, minus 1 minus x raised to the power 50 into 1 will be 1 minus x raised to the power 50 and raised to the power 100. This is dx, which is equal to minus 50, 50 into this and minus 50, 50 into minus this, so will be minus 50, 50, 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 and then raised to the power 101, dx. This minus 50, 50 and this minus will be plus 50, 50 and 0 to 1, 1 minus x raised to the power 50 raised to the power 100 dx. Now we can see that only this part is denominator and this whole is numerator. Now we can say that this denominator is equal to minus 50, 50, this is denominator, plus numerator. If we take in left hand side, 1 denominator plus 50, 50 denominator will be finally 51 denominator is equal to numerator, which is coming numerator upon denominator is equal to 5051. So integral of this upon integral of this from 0 to 1 will be finally 5051, and this is the answer.